Hi guys, welcome to Automaze Profit TV. I'm pleased to be connecting you all through Premium Streaming, and I'm meeting you all for the first time. So thanks for watching first of all, and the support so far extended. How I am able to give you tips. So I carry about 15 years of experience in the human resources. Have influenced about 22,000 individuals in terms of their career prospects, be it passing graduates, and also associated with about 30 businesses for helping their businesses grow in terms of the learning and development. So, as a full time, I work as a global HR head for an e-learning company. Today we're going to be discussing about an interesting topic. That's how to overcome a job loss. A lot of people think that a job loss is painful and it's very tough on them. But I think it's very important that we do the basics right. So what I'm going to do today is to offer you a 9-step guide on how to overcome a job loss, so that could help you earn a better life ahead. This 9-step guide is going to be of great help. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for the series of the episode. So here are the 9 steps, and we're going to be having this conversation with you. So it's going to be an interaction with you. Please post your comments in the section below where you can discuss about questions on the topics I'm going to be talking about. So the first topic today of the 9 episodes is going to be on the first step after you hear the news that you've lost your job. What do you think? How emotionally you're going to be handling the situation? So it's very important that you do not panic. So the first thing is, I would say, emotion management, and stay positive, saying to yourself that you have better life ahead. So this section is now going to be distributed into 4. So I'm going to talk this in 4 portions. Firstly is, did you anticipate this decision coming your way? A lot of people might say yes, no, maybe, but what's important is to realize that, okay, so there are few things I should understand before I am able to digest this decision from my current employer. So the first thing first, what's important is to realize what the company wanted from you. So let's talk about performance. So did you ever in your tenure miss out on performance goals? Did ever your manager talk about yes, I see a lack of interest, or some way or the other you're not able to meet the goals? One. Secondly, it could be about the business strategy in itself. So say a role that you've been performing is not anymore required. That could also be a reason for why you've been asked to leave. Or thirdly, it could also be the salary package you're in. The salary package sometimes can also be a triggering point while making decisions to send people off. So you will have to understand if you were in a pay package that wasn't really the one the job market was offering. So probably you were. Lastly is about if the company did not generate revenues out of the contributions you made for your company. So probably you might work in a function like human resources or say administration, which doesn't directly have tangible contributions towards the business. So there are a lot of things that is involved in the business decision. So this keeping aside, secondly is to understand whether you were chosen over others. Say for example, you were part of a team of 10 members, say a design team, and you as a graphic designer was asked to leave among the 10 people. So you will have to understand three things in this portion. One is about the skill set you possess. So when we say the skill set, where you really ahead of the competition of your team members. So this is a very important observation you will have to make. I would say analysis to make whether you really failed to impress your manager because of the skill set you didn't possess. Secondly is also the technical aspects of your knowledge. So be it using latest softwares that is available in the market for designing, or how quick and precise, of course with accuracy, you're able to deliver projects. That could also be a reason. And thirdly is if you're really someone who knows what the industry offers of late. Say for example, if you're into the construction field, there could be new concepts that is coming into high-rise building construction. Do you really know that? Are you able to bring that knowledge into this company's project? So what's most important is to keep contribute. So this is one part of observation you can make after you receive the news of being laid off. And thirdly is about thinking positive about what didn't work for you. So so that it eases your emotions, it eases your mood a lot better. It could also be sometimes thinking, all right, the time is enough because I did not have a great work-life balance, or I could not actually get recognized for the work I did. Or sometimes it could be that you were not able to get a promotion because it was stagnant. Or say for example, it could also be like the financial prospects. You were not able to earn enough money of what you desired for. So this is one piece of observation you can make, is to make yourself feel that yes, this is definitely good for me in the future. Last but not the least is to understand that situation is never in our control. There are few things in life which we cannot control. It's vital that we understand the reality. Someone saying that yes, you lost your job is definitely not in your hands. Now that I've spoken about three portions of observations you have done about you, you would pretty much know now that what is the reason for which job loss. I'm sure I have helped you thought through this process of understanding, analyzing, and helping to action on how I'm gonna be employed again. So this is the key to the final portion. It's very important that you understand emotionally the situation is no more in your control. You've lost your job, and it's very important you start looking for jobs outside. So we're going to be talking about how we are going to do this in the next clip. See you again in the next topic. Until then, take care. Bye-bye. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you don't miss the rest of the episodes of this channel.